The Diaspora Network is a multimedia internet-based Caribbean network that seeks to establish a connection between Haitians living abroad and Haitians living at home by providing them with a platform to tell their stories.
Haiti? Oh, Haiti means everything for me.
The country just has such, not just a rich history, but a rich future.
It's a place that inspires both hope and pride.
A lot of pride, a lot of determination, right?
It's been my roots, it's where I come from, and it's been a huge part of my self-identity.
I've been suffering for so long, and I feel like it's time for us to rise from ashes.
Le temps est venu pour nous de dire nous avons notre plan, nous avons notre vision, nous sommes capables, nous allons le faire, nous allons le réussir.
It's a question of belief. They believe.
I honestly do believe within my time I will see a better Haiti.
Il faut qu'on réussisse une chose, c'est l'unité.
Haïti, c'est une nation. Nous aimons Haïti.
I'm in love with it. Like, I love Haiti.